Hello, traders, and welcome to. Stop. Hello, traders, and welcome to the market opening preview on a Wednesday, November 26, 2014. Welcome, traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Can't believe it. It's almost a week with no rain. Absolutely beautiful. Traders is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I'm your moderator through the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006, and in 2008 I retired from a wonderful 27-year career as a public safety officer in the great state of Florida. 9 days later, I got on a big bird and came on over to Thailand for a 3-month holiday and to celebrate my 27-year career. And guess what? Well, I'm still here, traders, and I'm loving it. Trading every day, and I'm talking to you every day. It's just absolutely awesome. And that's about it for me. That's what I'm doing. I'm just in the markets all the time, listening, learning, and finding those opportunities to get into some trades and make some profits. All right, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. Forex trading has large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, most important, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Remember that past performance of any trading system methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's talk about the news today. We do have some news. Not a big news event today. It's going to be a pretty slow week. We have a major holiday in the United States tomorrow, so the U.S. is closed tomorrow, being Thursday the 27th. It's Thanksgiving, so we have, in the Euro session, we have high impact news of second estimate GDP quarter on quarter. Then we don't have news until, this was in the Euro, an hour before the markets open in New York. We have the core durable goods orders, unemployment claims, and then later in the New York session, which is 10 a.m. New York time, it is new home sales. It's coming into play. And let's see how the indices. All right, so it looks like the Dow closes in the positive at 2.96. The NASDAQ the Dow was in the red, 2.96. The NASDAQ was in the green at 3.36, and the S&P 500 at 2.38%. Moving along here, let's see what else we got. We got the FTSE was in the positive 1.35%. The DAX was up 75.67%. The CAC 40 was up 13.87%. The Euronext 100 was up 2.16%. And the Nikkei 225 in Asia, which is currently trading, is in the red at 13.84%, with the Shanghai in the green at 13.25%, and the Hang Seng at 12.81%. All right, take a look at gold. Gold is up at 1.20%, and oil is down 0.12%, selling at $73.97. That's $73.97 per barrel. Our commentary today is it's a holiday week, and the markets are showing that to us as we go through our trading week. Volatility is getting slower and slower and slower. I know the holiday is only on Thursday, but being that I'm from the United States, it's just that I live in Thailand. Friday, nobody goes to work. Most people take a vacation day, comp day, whatever day, and I'm almost certain it's a half day also in the markets in the New York session. So basically, Thursday, Friday is a washout as far as trading goes. I wouldn't even think about trading on those days. You have no New York traders. You're not even going to have New York retail traders trading on Thanksgiving. It's a major, major holiday in the U.S., and it's a family day, and it's a big one. So But I'll be here, and we will have the market opening preview for you. But right after it, I'm out. I'm actually going for a very nice Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. Can't wait to be there. All right, let's get over to those Forex 60-minute charts. Here we go. Let's hit the euro. All right, euro's in a kind of weird spot here. Remember, these are 60-minute charts, and this is sitting at the 200 exponential moving average. It's been here for like the last 8 hours, just hanging out here. So I want to see this come down below the 200, and then I'll be more than happy to take it down. You can see I have 2 levels for take profit, and any of those 2 levels are fine. Those are both just support levels, and I would be more than willing to take profit. But we are several hours away from the London Open, so I'm not going to do nothing till London Open on any of the pairs today. None of these pairs are going to get any movement from me until the London Open. And to be honest with you, traders, the chances of me taking a live trade today is 0 to none. Okay? That's the way I feel how the market's going to be today. All right, here is the pound. The pound is hanging again at this 200 exponential moving average, but I'm bearish in the pound. If you look at the daily chart, I'm just bearish in the pound. And I think this is going to come below this 200 before the London Open, and I think we'll be able to take a sell trade. And I want to take it down at 1.5640. But I am bearish absolutely in the pound. Aussie's up to its old good old tricks. It's back to being bearish again. Just we need this pullback. On this 1 hour chart, we want this thing to pull back to this 0.8577, the 618 of the Fibonacci numbers. And we'd like to see that get as close as we can to that, get a bearish candlestick formation, and, tally ho we go. And we'll just short this again. Nice trade work yesterday. Absolutely beautiful. All right, here's the Euro Aussie at resistance. And it's at resistance on the daily chart, so this is bounced back from that. I'd like to see this come back to that 618 at 1.4561, and I would be more than happy to take this to the upside. And I'm just going to take it back to resistance. I'm not getting greedy. I'm going to take my 20, 25 pips. Have a nice day. See you. Bye-bye, and enjoy the holiday. Don't get crazy with the Euro Aussie. As you know, it's been all over the place, and now it's back to bullish again, so it seems like every month it changes direction, and this month it's just bullish. So we're just going to just hang with this and let this come down, play its little game, and we'll see how that works. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Yen. Euro Yen's in a little different predicament here. Now, we know the Euro Yen is absolutely bullish. It's been bullish for a very long time. The problem here is we're in an 85 pip range, and the other problem is we're in the middle of an 85 pip range. So, I'd love to see this come back up to the top of the range and then just drop, or come down to the bottom of the range and stay with the trend and just keep on moving to the upside. I don't know what this is going to do, traders. I have no idea. I've given you both trade situations. This is going to be like trade what's in front of you sort of type of trade, and we'll just have to look at it and see how it looks at the London Open. But again, none of these trades are valid until London Open. London has to open, and we got to see and get us some direction. And in our currency pairs, our good old New Zealand dollar. Not that this would give us a challenge, but it traded beautifully yesterday. The trade actually worked. The one pair I did not think was going to work absolutely worked, and we're going to do the same trade today. This is a 5-touch trend line here. So I just want this to break the trend line, give us a bearish candlestick formation, and you know what? Away we go. We're going to take this down to resistance at 0.7770. And that'll be a great trade. The further it gets to that 200 EMA trade is the better. So if this starts heading up, man, don't worry about it. Let it keep going. Let it go up to the 200. It's definitely going to bounce there. Look left of the chart. It's going to bounce at that 200, and then it's going to drop. So I want to see this get up to the 200 and then come back and give us our trade. I think that'll be a great trade. All right, traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this Wednesday, midway through our trading week. And enjoy your trading day. Always remember, traders, to trade smart and do not trade hard. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Have a great trading day, and we will see you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care, and bye-bye.